In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your Google Calendar. If you find yourself looking at a jumble of events and need a clearer visual distinction, changing the calendar's color is a simple yet effective way to organize your schedule. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process. Start by opening Google Calendar on your desktop. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar view along with the sidebar on the left where your list of calendars are displayed. In this sidebar, look under the section labeled My Calendars. Here, you'll find all the calendars you have set up. Hover your cursor over the calendar you want to change the color of. You'll see three dots appear next to the calendar name. These are your settings options. Click on these three dots to bring up a menu. This menu will display a palette of colors for you to choose from. Simply click on the color you prefer for your calendar, and just like that, the color of all events within that calendar will be updated. It's a quick and easy way to customize how your calendar looks and helps differentiate between multiple calendars at a glance. If you can't find a color that fits just right from this palette, you have the option to set a custom color. At the bottom of the palette, there's an option marked plus custom color. By selecting this, you have the flexibility to pick a color that suits your specific needs. Perhaps you're customizing it to match your team colors or just your personal style. This feature gives you that freedom. Remember, whenever you change the color of a calendar, it alters the appearance of every event within that calendar. This can be particularly useful if you're handling multiple calendars for different contexts, such as work, personal, or family schedules. It ensures that you'll immediately know which calendar events belong to just by glancing at the color. And there you have it, a simple, customizable way to make sure your Google Calendar serves you better. Whether it's for added clarity or just personal preference, changing the calendar color can make a significant difference in how you interact with your schedule. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.